Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be making the well-known whipped coffee that everybody has been going insane over. I have been drinking it about 4 times a day and it's pretty crazy. I am caffeine addicted and I need help. So you only need 3 items. So you will need instant coffee. It does not matter what brand you use as long as it is instant coffee. And then second, you will need sugar. I have mine in this. So yeah, sugar. And then you will need just hot water. So it's just those 3 items and then you're set. To make this coffee, you'll need 2 tablespoons of instant coffee, 2 tablespoons of hot water, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. And that is all you'll need to make this recipe. Okay, so now you're gonna take all of your ingredients and mix them into the blender. If you guys don't have this kind of blender, then you can just use a hand mixer or use a fork. I've seen people mix it with a fork or a spoon until it gets frothy. Okay, so we're gonna throw in our instant coffee, our hot water, as well as our sugar. See, it's that simple. And so now we're just gonna mix it. Lock it. Okay, so once you have finished, you will start to notice that there are soft peaks that start to form into this thick consistency. That's how you know it's ready. And just like that, we are done. So I'm gonna remove this whisk part. And so I'm gonna take an empty glass and add ice to it. Just like that. And so I usually like to add a little bit of vanilla creamer. I'll add that to the top. So you wanna add milk to that cup of ice. Just like this, and make sure to leave space for the cream that you just whipped, so don't forget about leaving space. Okay, and on top of that milk, I'll add just like a touch of the almond milk, just for some flavoring. That's it, not too much. Okay, and so now, it's time to put it. Excited. I think this will work. So now you're just gonna scoop it and put it right on top of your cup. Okay, so this and then this. Okay. Look at how fluffy that is. There we go, and just like that, you have yourself whipped coffee. Okay, some people like to mix it after they put it in like this. You can mix it, feel free to do that. I like to drink it like this specifically because I feel like I get more of that coffee flavor on the top and then an aftertaste with the milk. I like it, I feel like that's how I like it, and you can do it however way you like. So let's try it. Delicious. It's always good. I mean, it's just delicious. I can never get bored of it. This right here beat Starbucks to me, at least during quarantine, since we can't even go there. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments down below if you made yourself some whipped coffee and what you thought about it. Okay, thank you. Bye.